Have you ever wondered why some individuals seem to effortlessly achieve their goals, while others struggle to stay focused and disciplined? The key lies in the art of self-discipline, a skill that can be developed and refined with practice. Self-discipline is the ability to control one's impulses, emotions, and actions in pursuit of long-term objectives. It requires dedication, commitment, and a willingness to push beyond momentary discomfort for the sake of personal growth. In this video, we will explore practical tips and techniques to help you master the art of self-discipline and unlock your true potential. One of the first steps in developing self-discipline is to clarify your goals and aspirations. As the renowned philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche once said, "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." When you have a clear sense of purpose, you gain the motivation and determination needed to overcome obstacles and stay disciplined. Take some time to reflect on what truly matters to you, what you want to achieve in life, and how your actions align with your values. Consider the areas of your life that require more discipline, such as health, relationships, career, or personal growth. This introspection will provide you with a solid foundation for cultivating self-discipline. Once you have defined your goals, it is crucial to break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. The philosopher Lao Tzu wisely remarked, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." Often, we become overwhelmed by the enormity of our goals, and that overwhelm can hinder our progress. By breaking your goals into bite-sized pieces, you make them less intimidating and more attainable. For example, if your goal is to write a book, break it down into smaller tasks such as outlining the chapters, setting aside dedicated writing time each day, and completing a certain number of pages or paragraphs. Each small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate destination, reinforcing your sense of discipline and accomplishment along the way. However, self-discipline is not just about setting goals and taking action. It also involves managing your time effectively, the ancient philosopher Seneca advised. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Time is a precious resource, and to master self-discipline, you must learn to prioritize and allocate your time wisely. Begin by identifying your most important tasks and activities, the ones that align most closely with your goals. Create a schedule that includes dedicated time for these priorities, ensuring that they receive your focused attention. Be mindful of potential distractions that can derail your focus, such as social media, excessive television watching, or procrastination. Learn to say no to activities that don't contribute to your long-term growth and success. Remember, time wasted cannot be reclaimed, so make each moment count. Another valuable technique for cultivating self-discipline is to develop healthy habits and routines. As Aristotle once said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Consistency is key when it comes to self-discipline. By establishing daily rituals and routines that support your goals, you create a structure that reinforces discipline in your life. Consider the habits that are aligned with your aspirations and commit to integrating them into your daily life. Whether it's waking up early to engage in meditation or reflection, exercising regularly to maintain physical and mental well-being, or dedicating time to study or practice a skill, these habits build momentum and strengthen your self-discipline muscle over time. They become ingrained in your identity, making it easier to stay on track even when faced with challenges or temptations. In addition to these practical techniques, it is important to cultivate a growth mindset. A mindset that embraces challenges, sees failures as opportunities for learning, and believes in the power of continuous improvement. The philosopher Epictetus wisely noted, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." When setbacks occur, and they inevitably will, approach them as valuable lessons and opportunities to grow. Embrace the discomfort and challenges that come with self-discipline, knowing that they are the catalysts for personal transformation. Instead of viewing failure as a reason to give up or feel defeated, see it as a stepping stone on your journey towards success. Embrace the process of learning and adapting, and use setbacks as opportunities to reassess and refine your approach. Self-discipline is a lifelong journey, and each day presents new opportunities to strengthen your resolve and become the best version of yourself. Remember, self-discipline is not about being perfect or never making mistakes. It's about consistently making conscious choices that align with your goals and values. It requires practice, patience, and self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when you stumble and use setbacks as opportunities to reassess and refine your approach. Self-discipline is a lifelong journey, and each day presents new opportunities to strengthen your resolve and become the best version of yourself. In conclusion, mastering the art of self-discipline is a transformative process that empowers you to take charge of your life and achieve your deepest desires. By clarifying your goals, breaking them into manageable tasks, managing your time effectively, establishing healthy habits, and cultivating a growth mindset, you can develop the self-discipline needed to overcome challenges and turn your aspirations into reality. As the philosopher Plato once said, "The first and greatest victory is to conquer yourself." So embrace the journey, persevere through the obstacles, and unlock your true potential through the power of self-discipline.